Wawa?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Come and see the Wawa.
There's water.
When she comes in.
Look, she says, lick me.
Isn't that cool, Bob?
Like that?
She's like, ooh, I want to get in there and play.
Yeah, look at this. Come on down.
Can you see it from down there? That's pretty.
It's all rainwater.
Oh, really?
Goes
Wow.
all the way up from the rain. I gotta level it yet. I tipped it over and cleaned it out. And I gotta get some wedges and put under here. Tilt it back.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty.